Welcome to the January 2016 edition of our monthly roundup of the best new Android games. This month we recommend a new Cut the Rope game, a free-to-play Rayman title, and an indie puzzle game where you can save the world. As long as you don't touch anything. Further down, you'll find the best games released in previous months in case you missed them. January 2016 Rayman Adventures. The Rayman series made its debut on the original PlayStation, but can now be found on Android. Rayman Adventures is a side-scrolling, auto-runner platform game that builds on the proven formula of previous mobile titles, Rayman Fiesta Run and Rayman Jungle Run. There are several different types of level in Rayman Adventures. One might be concerned with collecting items, another with defeating enemies, but they all require precise timing in order to avoid enemies, jump over obstacles, and reach the end of the stage. This latest game gives you a little more control than the earlier ones, as you now have the ability to change your running direction at will. This brings Rayman Adventures a little closer to its console counterparts in terms of player control. Rayman Adventures also makes the transition into free-to-play territory, with largely unobtrusive in-app purchases, though it also displays ads. Rayman Adventures is one of the finest-looking platform games on Android, with high resolution, and expertly designed, characters and backgrounds. The charming, cartoon-like animations marry perfectly to the precise gameplay, and navigating levels simply feels good. Please, Don't Touch Anything. Please, Don't Touch Anything is a wonderful little puzzle game that arrived on Android a little before the end of the year and has steadily built up some traction in the gaming community. If you haven't played it yet, now is the time. The premise is that you're left in charge of a desk and a big red button while your coworker takes a bathroom break, having instructed you not to touch anything. So what's your first instinct? To touch something, of course. Please, Don't Touch Anything's gameplay involves solving puzzles and trying out different combinations of button presses to trigger various outcomes, and all the action takes place at the in-game desk you sit at. There are no in-app purchases, you'll have to pay $5 to own it, but please, Don't Touch Anything is one of the most inventive and enjoyable Android titles released in 2015. Cut the Rope. Magic classic mobile title Cut the Rope has got itself another sequel in the form of Cut the Rope, Magic. It centers around the traditional Cut the Rope recipe, vibrant, non-threatening graphics, mixed with some terrier hair-out puzzles. Your task is to deliver a piece of candy into the mouth of hungry critter Nom, by cutting the ropes that hold the candy in the correct order, with the correct timing. What's great about the Cut the Rope series is that it makes you feel smart. The challenges get increasingly difficult, and naturally it's completing the trickiest puzzles that provides the biggest sense of accomplishment. Cut the Rope, Magic doesn't do anything radical with the series, but its presentation is gorgeous, speaks volumes about the attention to detail paid by developer Zeptolab. If you've been eager for more of this sweet gaming treat, check it out.